In recent years, Greece, a country long seen as the birthplace of democracy, has come under growing scrutiny for systematically undermining press freedom. Despite its commitments as a member of the European Union, the Greek government has been accused of widespread surveillance, intimidation, and repression of journalists and media professionals. In one case, investigative journalist Stavros Malichoudis discovered that he had been surveilled by the National Intelligence Agency after reporting on the life of a Syrian refugee child. His communications were covertly intercepted and shared with state security services. To this day, he has been denied access to the investigation files. Another journalist, Thanasis Koukakis, was targeted with predator spyware developed by a firm linked to the Greek-based Intellexa consortium. Despite compelling evidence, the government passed a legal amendment preventing victims from learning whether they were wiretapped under the pretext of national security. Koukakis' legal case was later suspended. The pattern extended to Giorgos Androutsos, a reporter for the newspaper Rizzospastis. In October 2024, he was violently arrested while covering a public protest, even after identifying himself as a journalist. Despite video evidence and medical reports, he was later charged with resisting arrest and assaulting public officials. Investigative reporters such as Tassos Teloglu and his colleagues were also allegedly followed, tracked, and wiretapped by authorities. Greece's Communications Privacy Authority later confirmed that such surveillance had occurred under vague justifications of national security. These cases have sparked national and international outrage. The Journalists' Union of Athens condemned the arrest of Androutsos as unlawful and politically motivated. International organizations, including the European Parliament, Human Rights Watch, and Reporters Without Borders, warned of an alarming erosion of media freedom in Greece. Despite these warnings, the European Union has been accused of downplaying the crisis. Critics argue that the EU's rule of law reports rely too heavily on official narratives, ignoring findings from independent observers and rights groups. In global press freedom rankings, Greece now ranks 89th out of 180 countries, consistently the lowest among all EU member states. What is unfolding is not an isolated series of incidents, but a structural and escalating assault on independent journalism at the very heart of Europe.